The ICD-10 Transition Software by Complete Practice Resources. During the ICD-10 transition, your organization will have to accomplish these things and a lot more. You will need to educate your providers and staff about the new documentation elements and code specificity, convert frequently used ICD-9 to ICD-10 codes, update EHR problem lists or superbills, and find new, more specific ICD-10 codes that don't exist in ICD-9. For less than the cost of code books, the ICD-10 transition software does all this and much more in a fraction of the time it would take manually using books. Educating providers and staff is easy. We'll use fracture of the patella as an example. For ICD-9, we have 2 codes, open and closed. For ICD-10, 480 codes. But don't focus provider education on the number of codes. Instead, emphasize the dozen or so new documentation elements they need to know depending on specialty. Watch what happens as we add laterality, type of fracture, open or closed, and the type of encounter. By adding only 4 documentation elements, 480 results reduces to only 2. The transition software immediately illustrates what's important for providers to know right now about documentation in ICD-10. Converting codes is simple. I'll use asthma as an example. In this case, we'll go from ICD-10 to ICD-9. As a side note, the codes I'm highlighting contain the new documentation elements for asthma: mild, moderate, severe, and intermittent or persistent. To convert, you simply select the code you wish to convert and click one button. And there's your conversion. Imagine how long that would have taken if you had to do it using code books. There are 2 ways to print. You can print the conversion list itself, or if you want to develop quick reference training guides that are easy to distribute to providers and staff, you can create a custom 4x6-inch flashcard that you can save and catalog for whenever you need it. Need a list of codes for ancillary service providers or ordering physicians? Archive your most frequently used codes to your favorites list for convenient access. As you've seen, the ICD-10 transition software helps educate providers and staff, easily creates custom training tools, quickly converts the codes you need, and comes in either download or web-based version for access anywhere. Fast, easy, affordable. The ICD-10 Transition Software, a must-have resource for the ICD-10 transition. You've seen just a few of the features and benefits. The ICD-10 Transition Software does so much more, and all this for only $129. To purchase, please visit our website at www.cpticdpros.com or call toll-free at 855-ICD-9-10. Thank you.